Dunk Low said, wait until you see this. Kasi ito lang naman ang collaboration ng isang cartoon na napakasikat before. Kaya, i-unbox na natin. Once again, this is Lex, your sneaker specialist of Collector Finds. So this is the Nike SB Dunk Low. SB means skateboarding. So ito yung collaboration pair niya, which is the Powerpuff Girls. So there are 3 colorways for this and isang character lang i-unbox natin today. Bubbles. Tara, focus natin sa pair. So at first, ang combination lang naman nito is blue and yellow at napakagrabe ng details nito. Kasi kung makikita mo dito sa likod niya, meron siyang eyes ni Bubbles. And then, dito sa tongue part niya, ayan, the Nike SB. So SB, yung tongue part niya medyo parang may foam, makapal siya. Dito makikita mo yung logo niya, it's Nike SB and name ni Bubbles yung character ng shoes. So, ayan yung itsura niya. And for the back tab, ayan, Powerpuff Girls Nike SB. And dito naman sa likod, ingredients na ginawa sa Powerpuff Girls, which is the sugar. Ayan. Meron tayong extra lace, isa, color black. And yung mga animation dito sa insole, makikita mo dyan. Ayan. And for the outsole, it's icy outsole. Ayan, color blue. So, yan ang itsura ng Powerpuff Girls Nike SB Dunk Low. What do you think of this colorway? Would you cop or drop? Let me know sa comment section. And if you want to cop, alam mo na, saan meron yun. Wala nang iba, kundi sa Collector Finds. Kaya, message mo na sila.